Mistplay not loading new offers usually comes down to three things: outdated app data, weak network refresh, or offer servers not syncing with your device in real time. That means the app is working, but the content feed isn't updating. By the end of this, you'll know how to force new offers to load, fix syncing issues, and stop Mistplay from getting stuck on old or empty offer screens. First fix is your connection refresh. Mistplay depends on a stable connection to pull new offers. If your Wi-Fi is unstable or your mobile data is switching in the background, the offer feed can freeze. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. That forces a clean network reset and reconnects you to the servers. Second is clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Open Apps, find Mistplay, and clear cache. This doesn't delete your account. It just removes stored temporary files that can block new offers from loading properly. After that, reopen the app and wait a few seconds on the home screen so it can fully refresh. Third is checking if the app is outdated. If you're running an older version of Mistplay, the offer system can stop syncing correctly. Open the Play Store and check for updates. If an update is available, install it before reopening the app. Many offer loading issues come from version mismatch between your app and their servers. Fourth is location and background restrictions. If your phone is limiting background data for Mistplay, the app won't refresh offers unless it's actively open. Go into app settings and allow background data usage so it can sync properly when you return to the home screen. If none of that works, log out and log back in. That forces a full session reset and reloads your offer feed from scratch. It also resyncs your account with the server, which fixes stuck or missing offers in many cases. One more thing to check is time and date settings on your phone. If your device time is off, even slightly, it can interfere with server syncing and prevent new offers from appearing correctly. Set it to automatic time and try again. To summarize, Mistplay not loading new offers is usually a sync or cache problem, not a broken account. Resetting your connection, clearing cache, and updating the app usually fixes it. If not, a logout or time setting correction will usually finish the job. One practical step: start with clearing your Mistplay cache right now, then reopen the app and wait 15 seconds on the home screen to force a fresh offer load. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that actually get straight to the solution.